Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from the usual stuff you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with info that doesn't really matter or that you probably don't care about just to make this video longer, I'm just going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs if you're worried about battery drain, and a few key things about each one that actually matter, so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description where you can grab my whole research document for free and read it all year long, no joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Here are the top 3 VPN services for using less battery, and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for battery-conscious users. Why? It's super efficient and optimized to run smoothly in the background, which is huge for keeping your phone or laptop battery healthy. Speed? It's literally one of the fastest I tested, so it doesn't overwork your device trying to stay connected, meaning less battery drain. Features? It's packed with the most features out of any VPN. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, all designed to be energy conscious so they don't suck your battery dry. Pricing and support? It's a good deal for what it offers, and support is top notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, they absolutely don't. What about encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there, optimized for speed and efficiency. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and built with battery efficiency in mind, all at a pretty affordable price. Negatives? You get a 10-device limit. Second best for battery efficiency is IPVanish. Why? It's straightforward, no BS, and built for pure performance without draining your battery. Speed? Incredibly fast with consistently low resource use, which helps avoid lag spikes and battery drain. Features? It covers all the essentials, plus extras like a reliable kill switch and split tunneling, so you can route only specific apps through the VPN and save battery on others. Pricing and support? One of the best value VPNs out there, usually cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? No, and they have an independently audited no-logs policy to prove it. Encryption? The best available, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy nerds nervous. Their no-logs audit checks out though. The server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN that won't drain your battery. Perfect for anyone who values performance and battery life. Third best for battery-conscious users is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It has a massive server network and offers the most customization, including settings to tweak battery usage. Speed? Very good. With so many servers, you can connect to the closest, fastest one, reducing the time your device spends working to keep the connection alive, which saves battery. Features? It's loaded. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and the most customizable app here, so you can optimize it for battery efficiency if you want. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope. Their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Top-notch encryption, and even customizable to balance security with battery life. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, and their app isn't as slick as the other two. Overall, a reliable, transparent, and powerful VPN. Great if you want to save battery but still want a huge server network and advanced features on a budget. And that's it. My top 3 picks if you're wondering, does using a VPN drain my battery? NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They all work great without killing your battery. Quick recap to wrap this up. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN, then that balances speed, features, and battery efficiency for a solid premium experience. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that delivers amazing value without draining battery. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a massive server network, advanced features, and control over battery use. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've also put exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can grab the best prices available. Thanks for hanging out. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which it was. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.